In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gemini Live not responding. If Gemini Live freezes, won't pick up your voice, or just sits there spinning, don't worry. These quick checks usually get it talking again. Start by refreshing the Gemini page or the app. A simple reload often clears a temporary hiccup and reinitializes the live session without changing any settings. If that doesn't help, restart your browser or the mobile app entirely. Fully close it, then open it again. This resets background processes that can get stuck after long sessions. Make sure your internet connection is solid. Try loading another site or streaming a short video to confirm you've got bandwidth. If you're on Wi-Fi, moving closer to the router or pausing heavy downloads can make a difference for live audio. Turn off any VPN or proxy you're using. These can add latency or routing issues that prevent Gemini Live from maintaining a stable connection, especially for real-time voice. Check that microphone permission is allowed. Gemini Live needs access to your mic to hear you. In your browser, look for the site permissions icon near the address bar and set the microphone to allow. On mobile, ensure the app has microphone access in your device settings. After changing this, refresh once more. If you're still stuck, switch to Google Chrome. Chrome tends to have the most up-to-date web RTC and audio handling, which can improve stability with live features. Clear your browser's cache and cookies to remove corrupted session data that might be blocking the live service. Just remember this can sign you out of some sites, so do it when you're ready to log back in. Temporarily disable extensions, especially those related to privacy, audio, ad blocking, or security. They can interfere with microphone access or real-time connections. Turn them off, test Gemini Live, and then re-enable them one by one later. Log out of your Google account inside Gemini and log back in. This refreshes your authentication and can fix odd permission or session glitches. Update your browser or the Gemini app to the latest version. New releases often include bug fixes for voice and connectivity. If nothing has worked yet, try another device or network. Testing on a different phone, laptop, or a different Wi-Fi or mobile data connection helps you isolate whether the issue is device or network specific. Finally, wait and try again later. Sometimes the problem is on the server side, and a short pause is all it takes. Follow these steps in order, and you'll usually have Gemini Live responding again in no time.